Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to mute calls on Instagram for 1 hour. Whether you're in a meeting, focusing on work, or just need some uninterrupted time, this feature lets you pause call notifications without blocking or unfollowing anyone. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside the app, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your inbox where all your chats are stored. Next, find the chat you want to mute calls from. Instead of opening the chat, press and hold on the chat thread itself. This long press will bring up a menu with several options related to that conversation. From the menu, look for the option that says Mute Calls and tap on it. This is the key step that allows you to silence call notifications from that specific chat. After tapping Mute Calls, you'll see different time options for how long you want to mute the calls. Choose 1 hour to mute calls for exactly 1 hour. This means you won't be disturbed by calls from that chat during this time, but messages will still come through as usual. And that's it. You've successfully muted calls on Instagram for 1 hour. When the hour is up, call notifications will automatically turn back on, so you don't have to worry about manually unmuting anything. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need a short break from calls without missing out on messages or having to change your notification settings permanently. Try it out next time you need some quiet time but still want to stay connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more handy Instagram tips and tricks.